Hey friends, welcome back. This is Ann, author of hiddenfarmlife.com. I have a grocery haul for you today. We haven't done one of these in a while and I love grocery hauls. So if you're anything like me, you're gonna like this, so stay tuned. Everything is from Aldi, by the way, and this is probably going to last us several weeks. So we'll start here. These cookies, I don't normally get prepared cookies, but the girls and I just love these. These bake up so well in the oven, and they only have these this time of year. I think they have them through New Year's, and they are so good. They're the sea salt chunk cookie dough. Oh my gosh. Haley loves hummus. This roasted red pepper hummus is so good. I get these. I put these in my husband's lunch. We went on a trip while we were in college together to Germany, and we discovered yogurts while we were there. This isn't quite the same, but it's a close substitute, so we don't mind. So I put those in his lunch. The potato puffs that they call them at Aldi, or tater tots, the girls will use these. I got 2 bags. We'll just pop them in the oven, you know, for a quick lunch or something with a protein. These 4 cheese calzones, I get these and put these in my husband's lunch maybe once a week. When he's at the office, he just has to I think it's 2 minutes. You put them in the microwave and it's ready to go, and it's quick and easy. I get some cheeses there until I master making cheese. I'm still gonna get the cheese that they have. So I get Swiss. I love Swiss. We usually get this aged white cheddar. We have not tried this seriously sharp Cabot cheese yet, so I'm interested to see what this is like. I got a brick of cream cheese and Parmesan cheese. I use this Parmesan cheese. I like to grate my own cheese. I will use this in the low carb pizza that I make. I can link that above, and just on pasta, or you know, pretty much anything. I just put this on popcorn. Oh my gosh, this was so good. If you'd like to see that recipe, leave a comment below and I'll make a video. I got 2 jugs, I guess, of almond milk. This is the unsweetened. It's 30 calories. This actually came from another store, Giant. We make homemade medicine balls, Starbucks medicine balls. We love those. I got a bag of onions. I always need onions. I use them in almost everything. Mangoes were on sale. I believe these were 79 cents each. So I got those. I got 3 of those. And then avocados were also on sale, which was great. These were 99, which, you know, it's not a great deal, but it's better than paying $1.30 a piece. So I got those. I got a container of baby spinach. I will put this in salad, on wraps. I will put this in a smoothie. This is a really great thing to have around. I got these. I've never tried these before. This is their ricotta and spinach ravioli, and this one is cheese tortellini. I thought we could have these if we need, or the girls need, a quick weeknight meal. Just put some marinara on it. I got a can of their refried beans. The girls like that when we have Mexican food night. I got 2 cans of these diced tomatoes. They're the ones with the chilies. I use these to make my cracked chicken, and I can also link that up above. They had these diced chilies today, which I've never seen at Aldi. I was hoping they would one day carry chilies. These were an amazing deal. These were 78 cents a can, and at our local store, Giant, where I got the lemonade, these are like $1 something, like $1.50 for this size can. I believe this is 4 ounces. So 78 cents is really good. I got a box of plastic wrap. I know it's bad for the environment, but we use it. I got a container of trash bags because we need that. Some dishwasher tablets, egg beaters. I use those. I got a container of black olives. I love olives. Baby dill pickles. We have green olives. I'm the olive eater. I got 2 cans of these biscuits. This is for a video that's coming up. I got a bag of pistachios. These are really good, high protein to snack on. I got the first of our Christmas candy. If you're an Aldi shopper, you know they come out with their Christmas candy every year, and this is the first one. I will put this away and hide it, because if I don't, my husband will eat that all. I got a bag of blue corn tortilla chips, a bag of their peanut butter filled pretzels. These are so good. We all love those. Their pub style pretzels, they're really good too. We just tried those over the summer when they didn't have regular pretzels, and they have a little bit of a seasoning on them. They're really good. A little on the salty side, but a few will do you. They have the best price around on these oyster crackers for soup. I just made chicken noodle soup this week, and everybody likes crackers in their soup. These are $1.09 a bag, and at our local store Giant, they are over $3 a bag, which to me is crazy. I got wraps. We're gonna make quesadillas one night. Their pumpkin roll is amazing, and it only comes out this time of year. I got two. I will put this in the freezer. I will put both of these in the freezer, and I will serve these over the holidays. We host my husband's family for Christmas Eve, and then my family on Christmas Day. I will cut these into slices and then cut each slice in half, and it serves a lot of people. And these were only, I believe, $4.50 each, and at some of our local orchards that sell baked goods, they're over $8 and $9 for one. So I got two for the price of one locally. I got some vanilla pudding, instant vanilla pudding. I put this in my chocolate chip cookie mix. I got white baking chips and 2 milk chocolate baking chips because it is the time of year to bake. So all in at Aldi, I spent about $110, which it may not seem like a lot of things for that price. Admittedly, everything has gone up since, you know, COVID, the pandemic, and I understand it. Some of the things have stayed the same, but all in all, this for family of 4 constantly, sometimes 5 when our daughter comes home from school, this will last us quite a while. And of course, I always have my staples in the pantry like flour, sugar, butter, oil, coconut oil. Those things I shop for in bulk at Costco. And if you'd like to see a Costco haul, let me know. We can do that too. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.